Hey guys, I just want to give a quick update on the 34 Ford 3-window coupe. We were having a problem with a hard start or slow start after the electric fan kicked on, and we basically figured out the old alternator, which might have been an original alternator, 55 amp or 38 amp, I'm not sure. I couldn't find a marking on it. Wasn't keeping up when the fan kicked on, so it was draining the battery. So I went ahead and put a Tough Stuff one wire alternator on here, got that wired up. And then we also put there wasn't a good ground to the block, so I put a ground from the frame to the where the negative cable attaches to the frame from the battery to the block. Put it down by the starter there, and cranks really quick now, so that's all good. Put some heat shields on the spark plug boots, and then also this motor mount over here it's a homemade motor mount. It was drooping kind of low, so the front pulley was kind of barely rubbing the cross member, just barely, so got that off. So several things done to the 34 Ford. Now it's starting a lot better, starting when hot, not an issue there. We'll just keep going with it. I'm trying to think. Oh, got a different air cleaner. A friend of mine was selling that on Facebook, so just picked that up. Yeah, we'll just keep going on it. Just wanted to give you an update. Got a new battery because the other one was 6 years old and wasn't take a charge, but then it was draining. So anyway, that's it.